Shape of p orbital. If you consider the shape of p orbital, the L value, L is nothing but the azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number is equal to 1 for p orbital or p subshell. P subshell. Similarly, if you consider the minimum n value, principal quantum number, it starts from 2, because we know that when n is equal to 1, that is k shell, L is equal to 0, therefore only S is possible. If you consider the L shell, n is equal to 2, L is equal to 0 and 1. Therefore, for the second shell, there are two subshells, that is S and P. Therefore, to get P, the minimum value of n will be 2. Now, if you consider the shape of P subshell, it is dumbbell. When I say dumbbell, there are two lobes. There are two lobes like this. The nucleus is at origin. The nucleus is at origin. This is the origin point. The nucleus is at origin. Then the two lobes are connected. Two lobes are connected like this. And wherever you see that the two lobes are touching each other, this point becomes a node here. This point becomes a node. When I say node, the value of psi square will be equal to 0. And if you consider P is a subshell actually. P is a subshell. It has got three orbitals, namely px, py, and pz. The structures are as shown in the diagram. When I say px, the two lobes are along x-axis. You can look at this. The two lobes are along x-axis. Similarly, when we speak of y, the two lobes are along y-axis. So in case of z, the two lobes are along z-axis. If you consider all the three orbitals, these orbitals will have same energy and shape, same size. They have same size, shape and energy. Therefore, they are known as degenerated orbitals. What they are known as? Degenerated orbitals. Why they are known as degenerated orbitals? All the three orbitals of the same shell. Degeneracy is for a subshell. That means in a subshell you have orbital. If all the three orbitals having same size, shape and energy, such orbitals are known as degenerated orbitals. And also they differ only in the way the lobes are rotated. Is it rotated along x-axis or a y-axis or a z-axis? Only in that way it differs. And also one more important point is, when I say 2p is possible, so it starts from 2p, it can extend up to 7p. 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p and 7p. All of them are dumbbell only, but the difference is, as the n value increases, the size increases. As the n value increases, the size increases. So these are the things we should know. Thank you.